best deals. Let's review some of the trending kitchen storage container. These containers in the kitchen is important for maintaining spice quality, freshness, and longevity. Airtight containers help protect spices from moisture, light, and air, which can degrade their flavor and aroma over time. Proper storage can significantly extend the shelf life of spices. By keeping them dry and protected from light and air, spices can maintain their quality for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent replacements. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Container. Crafted from premium, BPA-free plastic, our storage boxes are built to last. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your food is stored in safe and sturdy containers. From masala to grains, these containers are perfect for storing. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Spice box. Commonly used to keep spices such as cumin seeds, cardamom, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chilies, coriander powder and much more. It can be used to store and serve roti, cookie, papad, chocolates, cakes, bread or herb canister. The stylish masala organizer for kitchen has 9 inner containers with 4 spoons. The middle container has 4 partition with 4 compartments in which you can store 4 different spices, thus allowing you to store 12 different spices in one spice box. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Plastic container. Crafted from high quality, food grade, and BPA-free plastic, this container ensures safe and healthy food storage for your family. The durable material is designed to withstand everyday use in your busy kitchen. Keep staples like flour, sugar, rice, grains, nuts, beans, pasta, coffee, and tea fresh and readily available. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Container. Square canister is the most versatile and earth-friendly sustainable storage container, designed to replace traditional plastic containers. Its airtight lid ensures freshness. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Containers. Keep your tea, sugar, and coffee fresh for longer with our airtight container for kitchen storage set. Designed with airtight seals, these containers lock in the flavor and aroma of your favorite ingredients. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Coffee canister. Sitting on top of the steel clasped seal lid is a date tracker wheel. Logging the purchase or expiry date reduces waste and puts a stop to throwing precious coffee in the trash. This airtight and vacuum-sealed coffee canister is carefully crafted with premium-grade stainless steel. Container flip-top lid is made of high-quality BPA-free plastic and comes with a metal clamp. This food storage canister comes with a stainless steel measuring scoop. The unique design of the spoon allows it to be attached to the jar easily. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Glass jar. Crafted from food-grade glass, ensuring durability and clarity for easy identification of contents. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Canister. Flossy square design with clear window, stylish square-shaped canister with a transparent side panel, offering a sleek look and quick visibility of contents. Airtight silicone seal, securely sealed with a high-quality silicone ring to lock in freshness and protect contents from air and moisture. Space-saving square shape allows for organized kitchen. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines. Suitable for storing bulk quantities of food or essentials, this heavy-duty dabba is a lifetime investment for organized and efficient kitchen management. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Containers. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel material for unmatched durability, sleek modern design, and seamless integration with any kitchen decor. Keep your edibles fresh and flavors intact with stainless steel containers with lids. The snug-fit design ensures that your spices, pulses, and snacks remain moisture-free and delicious, just as you love them. Perfect for both the modern and traditional kitchen, these containers are not just about storage, but also about retaining the goodness of your stored food. Container is perfect for a clutter-free kitchen, enabling you to store various items like pulses, spices, and snacks. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Glass jar are the ideal size for storing spices, herbs, jams, preserves, teas and more. It perfects for homemade candles, wedding favors, yogurt maker, pudding, baby food, cosmetics. Jars non-toxic and BPA-free containers are absolutely healthy and safe for your family. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Butter container. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this container ensures the longevity and freshness of your butter by protecting it from external elements while adding an elegant touch to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Ceramic pickle jar. The smooth ceramic surface makes it easy to clean, and the jars are dishwasher safe for added convenience. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Containers. The lids with silicone gasket make these storage containers airtight, and the top flips open easily. Airtight storage system will always keep your food dry and fresh. All have the same lids, make it easy to wash, dry and reuse with ease. We can also use for spice containers for kitchen storage. Clear containers make it convenient to see what's inside. You can easily get what you want without opening every container. Space-saving storage box for kitchen. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Masala box. 4-in-1 masala storage box made by high-quality food-grade BPA-free transparent plastic material which is safe to store food items, baby foods, spices. This 4-piece multi-purpose container set with colorful lid give a best look for your kitchen. From nuts to grains, millets, spices, and whatnot, the storage unit is perfect to store them all. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Storage box set. The airtight food storage containers using food-grade material production, BPA-free, beautiful and practical, have 4 compartments. It can put a variety of foods together without confusion in kitchen or fridge or refrigerator. You needn't to take them separately in your cupboard. You can get it all at once when you want to get sugar, nuts, biscuits. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Freezer storage containers. Designed to maximize space and keep your refrigerator organized. Made from durable, high-quality plastic, these containers are perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, and other food items. The plastic boxes for storage are perfect for maintaining order in your kitchen and refrigerator. You can easily find what you need in your fridge or freezer. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Canister. Clear glass window allows easy viewing of canister contents. With transparent glass window, you will save more time. They are great for storing cookies, coffee, flour, sugar, nuts, coarse cereals and more. This practical canister set is perfect for various occasions including countertop, restaurants, bistros, pubs, cafe, pantry and so on. Product link is given in the 18th link.